Hello, it's Nadia from Molten Imaginings, back again with another video, and today I thought we would explore a technique called wax transfer. As an artist, you tend to do a lot of paintings, and not all of them are all that great. This is a sample of some of my pieces that are not amazing, and it's better to work with something you're not super happy with, because once you've transferred the wax onto the paper, this is just cheap sketchbook paper, then there's not much you can do with the card afterwards. This is a very simple process, but if you're using thin paper like this, it's a good idea to place a piece of greaseproof paper underneath, just to stop it from going through. We have that in place. We take the picture we're going to transfer and we put it face down. Then we take another sheet of greaseproof paper and place it over the top. And this can be done with a household iron equally as well as an encaustic iron, but you just do a nice smooth iron over the picture a couple of times just to make sure it transfers properly. And I've got this on a low heat, quite a low heat, and you can see the wax on the back of the card is coming off onto the greaseproof paper. That's about what we want. You can see it's probably transferred now, so we'll lift this off, and now for the fun part. And there we have it. You see we've still got a lot of colour on this, but it's got these white marks on it. And this is very subtle and subdued now, and it can be enhanced with more wax or with watercolour. It works really well. This was a picture I tried to copy of a Christmas card where the light was streaming out of these frosty trees. And I'm not sure I caught it exactly, but if we do the transfer effect, maybe we can mess around with that and see if I can make it a little better. So that was 10 seconds. Oh, that's turned out alright. That's actually got the picture. And that's so much more subtle and subdued. In fact, I like that a lot better than that one. It's even got the glittering wax. That's great. This is one of my Aurora paintings I did for Christmas cards. I wasn't that happy with it, but I still think it's quite nice. So we'll see how this goes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's alright. Now for a touch of pizzazz.